A metalsmith. A simply smith is a craftsman fashioning useful items out of various metals. Smithing is one of the oldest metalworking occupations. Shaping metal with a hammer is the archetypical component of smithing. Often the hammering is done while the metal is hot, having been heated in a forge. Smithing can also involve the other aspects of metalworking, such as refining metals from their ores, casting it into shapes, and filing to shape and size. The prevalence of metalworking in the culture of recent centuries has led smith and its equivalents in various languages to be a common, occupational surname. As a suffix, smith connotes a meaning of a specialized craftsman. For example, wordsmith and tunesmith are nouns synonymous with writer and songwriter, respectively. History. In pre-industrialized times, smiths held higher special social standing since they supplied the metal tools needed for farming and warfare. This was especially true in some West African cultures. Types of smiths. A metalsmith is one who works with or has the knowledge and the capacity of working with all metals. Types of smiths include: an arrowsmith forges arrowheads for the fletcher. A blacksmith works with iron and steel. A bladesmith forges knives, swords, and other blades. A brass founder works with brass. A coinsmith works strictly with coins and currency. A coppersmith works with copper. A fendersmith makes and repairs the metal fender before fireplaces, protecting rugs and furniture in mansions and fine estates, and frequently cares for the fires as well. A goldsmith works with gold. A gunsmith builds and repairs firearms. A locksmith works with locks. A pewtersmith works with pewter. A scythersmith forges scythes. A silversmith, or bridesmith, works with silver. A swordsmith is a bladesmith who forges only swords. A tinsmith, tinner, or tinker works with light metal and can refer to someone who deals in tinware. A weaponsmith forges weapons like axes, spears, flails, and other weapons. A whitesmith works with white metal and can refer to someone who polishes or finishes the metal rather than forging it. A zincsmith fabricates or builds with zinc in sheet or bar form. Artisans and craft people. The ancient traditional tool of the smith is a forge or smithy, which is a furnace designed to allow compressed air to superheat the inside, allowing for efficient melting, soldering and annealing of metals. Today, this tool is still widely used by blacksmiths as it was traditionally. The term metalsmith often refers to artisans and craft persons who practice the craft in many different metals, including gold, copper and silver. Jewelers often refer to the craft as metalsmithing, and many universities offer degree programs in metalsmithing, jewelry, enameling and blacksmithing under the auspices of the fine arts programs. Machinists. Machinists are metalsmiths who produce high-precision parts and tools. The most advanced of these tools, CNC machines, are computer-controlled and largely automated.